Friday, which in Jordan means it's the first full day of the weekend. Most people spend it going to prayer or spending time with their family at home in the morning. We're just kind of hanging around the house. So today, I'm gonna do something I've been wanting to do for a while. So this was my all-time favorite game to play when I lived here during high school. I loved Guitar Hero Rocks the 80s. It was so much fun. That's probably how I know most of my 80s songs, sadly, is from this game. Or movies. That's pretty much how I know all songs. Movies, TV shows, or Guitar Hero. I just realized my guitar is covered in stickers from Hercules and Toy Story. 4 stars with 87% accuracy on expert. Not my best, but I'll take it. I forgot that that song has this insane part at the end and I just totally lost it. I'm a little bit out of practice. You wanna see something funny though? I own an actual guitar that I have no idea how to play. And I go play Guitar Hero. That's not good, is it? So I bought a guitar because I wanted to learn how to play. And turns out it's hard. It actually really hurt my fingers. And I guess I just didn't have the patience or the time to properly learn. I ended up moving back to the States and never really figured it out. I do, however, know how to play the drums. I hardly ever play those anymore though. This is a drink called Lemon, and it's like a yogurt drink. And I don't like yogurt drinks because I find them incredibly salty and weird, and I don't like milk in general. So the only reason I have this one is because my dad told me I should try it. This one specifically is strawberry flavored. So this is a strawberry flavored lemon, basically yogurt drink. I don't know, let's try it. You have to shake it. Whoa, that is pink. That looks like Pepto-Bismol. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. That's so pink. Just kind of smells like strawberry yogurt, honestly. It smells pretty good. Not bad. That is actually not bad. Pretty much just tastes like a slightly more liquidy strawberry yogurt. The regular flavor I had a couple years ago, and it's been a while since I've had it, so maybe I should try it again, but it was really salty and I didn't care for it too much. But I'm okay with this. This has been another episode of Nadia Tries New Things. This is kobe, and it is filled with meat, onions, and some pine nuts. The place that we get the grape leaves and stuffed zucchini from have the best kobe. Around sunset, every single day my dad flies his pigeons. So let's go to the roof. There they are. It is super windy and insanely cold outside. His pigeons were flying way further than they normally do because the wind was like picking them up and causing them to go over there. It was kind of crazy. I'm amazed that they're able to fly in that kind of wind. It's 9 o'clock at night and it's time to go out. It is freezing, but we're eating ice cream. Here's our fruit and vegetable haul from this evening. So I'm feeling a little ill this evening. My stomach has been bothering me a little bit. So we went out and bought some Meridiem. And you basically just add boiling water to it and let it sit for a bit. And then you have tea. And it doesn't taste great. Oh. But it seems to be working, so cheers. So I'm reading the third Harry Potter book right now. I decided to reread the entire series because I haven't read them probably like 15 years. I'm done with 1 and 2 and now I've started on 3. So hopefully I can finish the entire series while I'm here. I am gonna read and then go to bed. Thanks for coming along today. I hope you liked the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.